Okay, so Black Ops 6 just got released and you want to change your minimap right now. So you can do this by being in-game. That's important because if you are in the lobby, you are not able to click on any preset. So first go to your settings, then go down to interface, and now you have three options on the top: global, readability, and our option, the gameplay HUD. Click on gameplay HUD and now you can see as the first option the HUD presets. Click on presets and here are some pre-designed HUDs. Choose your favorite one, for example this one. Click on it and now you already have the new HUD available. You can even customize the HUD by clicking on the options under the HUD presets. So the minimap shape, you can select square or round, then minimap rotation, turn it on or off, the radar, turn it off or on, and the compass type. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.